Hello, my peeps at Colleyville Heritage High School. I wanted to share with you a really cool platform the district is working on and is up and running at this time called Classlink. Some of you already know about this, some of you do not. So I wanted to share with those that do not and to update those that do with what is coming in the future. So to get to this Classlink thing, you're going to go to classlink.gcisd.net. When you get there, it will save your credentials after you log in the first time. So you're just going to type your first dot last name without the rest of your email. I've already stored my password, so it's there, which is nice. You're going to sign in. Once you are signed in, this is your kind of your launch pad is what it's called. Now, everyone's is going to look a little bit different because you can actually customize this launch pad to add specific apps that you want to be able to access quickly. So you may not have a folder that I've created called Research Databases, for example. However, you all should have, and students as well, have this green folder called Library Resources. Under Library Resources, you will see several of the databases that we currently have access to. However, some of them are not currently listed here as standalone apps, if that makes sense. Salem Press is not here, Cavendish Square is not here, and Britannica High is not here either. So, however, you still can get to those databases by going to macandvia.com. And to log in, just like as a student would log in, you're going to type in Colleyville, Texas. I'm sorry, I'm already at Colleyville Heritage High School. Usually, let's see, you would start typing in Colleyville Heritage High School. You're going to select that. And then the backpack kind of way to log in for everyone that should get you in every time, and if it does not, please let me know, is Colleyville Panthers. You should technically be able to log in with your school login information as well. Again, if that doesn't work, please let me know. Then once you get into Mac and Via, all of the databases under databases are here for you. So like Cavendish Square, EBSCO eBooks, Salem are not standalone apps in Classlink yet, but they will be soon, and I will let you know when they are. You can still access them through Mac and Via though, okay? So there's just the library resources, for example. Of course, I had to show you that. You'll see, links to frequently used things by the district and by you. But what I wanted to show you too is how to personalize this Launchpad and how to add your own apps so that they're easily accessible by you. So to personalize, you can go to, I've already set up a little Frankenstein's monster avatar. You can go to my profile here. You can change the image. There's lots of choices. When you click on that, you'll see. You can upload your own image. You can choose your theme and color. Lots of options here. There's even more images here if you go in further. Your password locker, you can save your passwords for each of the apps that you have on your platform, which is nice. When you go to sign-in options, I definitely encourage you all to do this. Link your Google account, your school Google account, to this Classlink platform. Mine has already been linked, so it says disconnect. Yours should say update or link. So definitely link those just so it makes it all kind of cohesive and speaking to one another. You can also edit. So say, you don't want some of these apps. Some of them are forced upon you, so you cannot delete them because they're forced by the district. However, say I wanted to get rid of this folder I created, I would just click it and delete it. If I want to add more or move an app into this folder later, I can create an app, which I'm about to show you, and move it into this folder. Okay, so you do have some editing here too, font size, icon size, style, things like that, if you want them really big or however you want it, okay? So I'm going to get out of edit mode. Now, if you have an app that you use all the time that you want to be able to get to easily from this spot, you can actually go to this plus sign called App Library. The ones that are going to pop up first are featured apps. Now, these are featured, and that's great. That doesn't mean that we necessarily have an account with them. Okay, so if you see a lock on anything, that means that it's password protected and that you're going to have some credentials to sign in. Discovery Education, I gave you those credentials. You have those, and if you need them again, tell me. So you could log into this one, and you could add it to your dashboard. However, ABC Mouse, the high school does not have an account with ABC Mouse, although that would be fun. So you're not going to be able to log into this if you add it unless you have your own ABC Mouse account. So just be aware of that. However, the ones that you will be able to log in, some requiring credentials, but others not, is under this Grapevine Colleyville ISD library. So if you select that, you'll see there's multiple pages of these options. I mean, you're talking lots, like at least three pages full. So lots to choose from here. All of these are provided by us, by the district, and you can access them easily, download them to your, just lost the page, sorry. Download them to your Classlink platform launchpad. You just click add, and added successfully, and then now I have Google Calendars on my platform right here. Then you can create a folder if you want and put them all into a folder, put all your Google stuff in a googly folder, whatever you want to do. So again, classlink.gcisd.net. If you need any help, if you need me to come to your room, come down here. I can show you how to play with it. If you're having trouble, definitely use Chrome when you're using this. If you have an iPad, you can download the Classlink app from the App Store. However, I would definitely encourage you to use the website option when possible. Hope this helps. Hope you learned something. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Come see me down in the Learning Commons. I love it here. Y'all are all awesome. I go home every day thankful and arrive every day even more thankful. So thank you for that. Y'all have a good one.